Hi everybody, today I'm making this tutorial to help somebody that reached out to me on Facebook. Miriam sent me this picture of a, I don't know, you want to call it a flower that she was making, but when she got to the last ring, she didn't know how to close it. So she also sent me the picture of the diagram of that pattern that she was following. So I went ahead and I made I made something to show her how to close this flower. Okay, so you have 6 rings, and then you have these little small chains, but it's always hard when you have to close your flower with another ring. Sometimes I do have problems with that. So let's just start. I'm gonna give you the pattern so you can do it, and then I'll show you how to close it. So the pattern is 6 rings, and each ring has 5 picots separated by, no, yes, 5 picots separated by 3 double stitches. So we're gonna start with 3 double stitches, picot, 3 double stitches, and you're gonna do this until you have 5 picots separated by 3 double stitches. So that's 1 picot, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 picots. So go ahead and close your ring and reverse your work. Make a little knot, and we're gonna make a really small chain. So 2 double stitches, picot, 2 double stitches. Okay, so finish up the chain and reverse your work. Make a little knot, just like that. And we're gonna do another ring. So 3 double stitches, and this time we're gonna join to the closest picot to us from our previous ring. So we're gonna join to this one right here. Okay, so go ahead and join, and 3 double stitches, picot until you have 5, and we're counting the join picot as 1. Okay, so then we have 2 right now. Making our third one, 3 double stitches, 4 picot, 3 double stitches, and another picot and 3 double stitches. Okay, so that's what we have. Close your ring, reverse your work, make a little knot, and make another chain of 2 double stitches, picot, 2 double stitches. Okay, finish up your chain, and reverse your work, and make a little knot. Okay, so you're gonna continue doing this until you have 6 rings. Okay, so I went ahead and did my 6 rings already. So as you can see, I have 1 ring, 1 chain, 1 ring, 1 chain. Keep going until you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rings, right? So then after having those 6 rings, let me thread my needle. You're gonna do another chain, right? So you finish with this, like this. You're gonna reverse your work, make a little knot, right? And this is where she's having, well, after this chain. So do a chain of 2 double stitches, picot, 2 double stitches. Okay, and finish the chain, reverse your work, and we're gonna do our last ring, which is our 7th ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So you're gonna do 3 double stitches, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna join like normal to your picot, just like that, right? 3 double stitches, picot, 3 double stitches. Okay, 1 picot, 2 picots, 3rd picot, 3 double stitches, right? So it's 1, 2, 3. Let's do one more. 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We need 5. So for our last picot, we need to join to our ring. But it's gonna, it doesn't feel right doing it like this, right? So what we're gonna do is, you have your work like this. You are going to, this is the thread from your ball, right? And here's your tail over here. Okay, you're gonna grab, see how my work is hanging, right? It's just hanging. You're gonna grab this, turn it towards you, and join to this picot right here. Let me do that again. So your work is hanging, right? It's hanging. Grab it, pull towards you, and push this to the back, right? And join to the picot. Just like that. Okay, 3 double stitches, and close your ring. You see that? Okay, for the chain, just reverse your work. I know it's hard to tell. And do 2 double stitches, and then 2 double stitches, picot and 2 double stitches. Reverse your work, make a little knot, and go right underneath this ring, our first ring, and put your needle under one of those stitches, okay, and pull it through. See? And make a knot. And that's how you close the flower. Now her pattern doesn't end there. It keeps going. Okay. So I went ahead and did it. And it's not that hard. You have to cut your thread to start the other ruffles on the right here, this part right here. Okay, well, I hope this video answered Miriam's question. If you have any questions for me or any comments, please feel free to reach out to me on my Facebook page, Maria Papia, on Instagram, Maria Papia, or on YouTube. Just leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Happy tatting.